Sir, I'm so scared. Here's my wallet. Ha!
Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're gonna talk about how to use telekinesis for self-defense. This is a very, very tricky question because many people ask me how you can use telekinesis to defend yourself or others. And I was almost never in the situation where I had to do it. I said almost because I had one situation where it was kind of helpful. But in most cases, there's better ways to defend yourself. Take self-defense classes, run very fast, ask for help. It really depends on the situation where you're in. If you are walking down the street and you're all by yourself and you see potential predators who might attack you, it doesn't hurt to just call the police right away just in case something happens. Or if you're not sure, just have the number dialed and ready to call. And the moment they start attacking you, then you just call the number and show them that you called the number, okay? Or if you do self-defense classes and somebody attacks you from behind, you can learn certain grips and techniques to defend yourself. But now, how can you use telekinesis to defend yourself? You know that there's two telekinesis methods, and there's the method where you use your emotions and your connection to an object to use telekinesis, or the other one where you suppress emotions and you just use the power of your brain and your mind, and when you imagine moving things and then it happens. For self-defense, only the second one is gonna work. And I don't think you should try to use telekinesis on the attacker himself. I would use telekinesis on an object right next to him. First of all, an object is way lighter, so it's easier to move very strongly. Second of all, never use telekinesis on another person. Doesn't matter if he's an attacker, a friend, never use telekinesis on another person. This is my first rule. My most important rule. Anyways, let's say you're walking down the street and you hear someone behind you. Maybe he's even asking you for your wallet or phone. What do you do? What I did in my situation, I lifted my hands to show I have nothing to defend myself. And then there was a trash can right next to the attacker. I pushed the trash can away. He was so scared that he left, and he left me alone. And that's what I'm gonna show you today. So I'm just gonna walk down this room, then pretend somebody's attacking me, and then I'm gonna push the trash can away. This trash can. And in order to that make work, it's important that you build the connection to the object before the attacker attacked you. So if someone attacks you out of nowhere, you didn't expect that, I would not recommend doing telekinesis. I would either way not recommend doing telekinesis. But if you really have to, then it's important that you take your time meditating, even in a situation like this, especially in a situation like this when adrenaline is rushing through your veins and your heart is pumping and you're scared and excited, and it's very important to stay calm. Always stay calm, because if you are calm, your attacker will be more afraid of you too. So lower your heartbeat, breathe, don't be scared, focus focus on the object, okay? Focus on the object, and then with push telekinesis, you can push it away and maybe startle the attacker away, okay? So I'm gonna show that to you now, and I hope it's gonna be helpful. So my trash can here, okay? I'm just going on the street, minding my own business. And somebody's like, wallet and phone. Oh no, sir, I'm so scared. Here's my wallet. Ha! See? He's gone. He's scared. And this is what you can do to defend yourself doing telekinesis. Don't do telekinesis on the attacker. Do the telekinesis on an object close to him. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.